Um, this is for block day and Friday of what what week was that? So what that was third? No, that's right. Fourth, fifth, and sixth of March. Wow, that took forever to figure out. Ignore the long dramatic pauses there. So for my website, you can just go to the daily log and see what we did those days. On block day, we did current events. That's the link for those of you who had to go that day. And remember, you can find who has to go in current events by clicking on my website and going to current event due dates. And then you just scroll through the list and you see who has to go. I will be checking those this week sometime. Then the rest of the time was basically a work day. Um, you also had to share your Noodle tools with me. Um, the way you share your Noodle tools is you go to your Noodle tools, you select your project. Um, you go down to share project with teachers Dropbox. Once that opens up, you type in fold in, and then it's all these behavior ones that you see listed right here, and then you select the hour that you are, and then you click share project. Okay. Once that was done, we went over a couple examples. We went over an example of Noodle Tools and what the experiment was. The Noodle Tools example is just what the your submission should look like, and the experiment was what I would call a mid-range example. You will rarely see perfect examples from me. There are plenty of things wrong with this, especially in the procedure. I had to ask like a dozen questions just to figure out what needed to happen. Remember, when you're writing those, you have to write the entire thing so that when I check it, I don't have to ask you a single question. All right. Friday was another work day, but you had to do a critique. Here's a video about how to do that critique, and I'm just going to have to let you guys click on that link from the daily log to figure this out because I don't have time to go through that because it would add another 10 minutes to this video. What you're going to do is you're going to click right here, and it should bring up an example of what a critique should look like. I believe so. If not, I'll tell you what I mean. Yep. All you're doing is you're going through, you're double checking the highlighted portion that all my students have, and then you're going over here to the right hand box and make sure that they did this. And then you answer these questions. If they don't, you select it, you highlight it, and then you go up here and press comment, and then you leave a comment. You have to leave those comments for the critique. The rest of the instructions for that are um, in that how-to video. Uh, that is the only way you can get above a 3. The entire procedure writing itself gets you up to a 3. A critique gets you to a 3.5. And then actually doing your experiment, survey, observation, or case study will get you up to a 4. If you have any other questions, just come talk to me. Otherwise, have a good day, weekend, night, whatever. Boom, done.